Hello everyone, this is Saita Javeria. In this video, we are going to discuss about working of solar space cooling of buildings. The outline of the presentation are introduction, why we need SHCS, solar heating methods, active heating and passive heating, solar cooling, combi system, how does SHC works, components of SHC, important components, advantages of SHC over conventional methods, and the conclusion. Now, starting with the introduction, solar heating and cooling technology receive the thermal energy from sun and utilize this energy to provide hot water, space heating and pool heating for residential, commercial and industrial applications. These applications of SHCS reduce the dependency on electricity or natural fuels. The main function of solar system is to convert sunlight into heat. The primary requirement of SHCS is to set up the light collectors with higher efficiency. As we can see in the diagram, we have solar plate collector, the controller which controls the hot water and the cool water, the mixing device, the three-way valve, the boiler, fan cell or floor heating in which space heating takes place. Here, why we need SHCS? Eliminating the need for electricity or the natural gas. Instead, collect and use free clean thermal energy from the sun. It is an economical alternative to solar photovoltaic system. Solar heating and cooling systems simply eliminate the need for electricity to cool or heat the air and water in home or business. The solar heating methods. The term solar system mainly defines two types of system: passive heating and active heating. Active heating. This system can be used as commercial hot water as well as space heat. A space heat application involves some additional connecting hardware for space heat distribution system. Active solar heating system involve following major components: collectors to absorb energy, circulation system, storage tank, backup heating system, and control system. The passive heating. Passive solar heating is the least costly technique to heat home space. The main aim of this system is to keep out heat in summer and kept in heat in winter from sunlight. Passive solar heating also depends on ventilation or windows provided in buildings or houses. Solar cooling. Solar cooling is a technology that converts sunlight heat energy into useful cooling of buildings. The process works by using solar heat collecting and supplied this heat to the thermal cooling system to generate chilled water. Combi system. A solar combi system provides both solar space heating and cooling as well as hot water from a common array of solar thermal collectors, usually backed up by an auxiliary non-solar heat sources. How does SHC work? SHC systems trap the heat from the sun, solar radiation, and transfer the heat to water or air for use as thermal energy. While both SHC systems and solar photovoltaic systems involve collector panels, they are very different technologies. The components of SHC: collectors to take the heat from the sun and pass it to a fluid. The heat transfer fluid which takes the heat from the collector for use or storage. Heat exchangers to transfer the heat from the fluid to a home's domestic water. Pumps to provide the fluid through the collector and or the exchanger, and sometimes to move the domestic water through the other side of the exchanger. Controllers to run the pumps when there is collector heat available. The important components are solar collector and adsorption chiller. A closed coupled solar water heater and the arrows shown direction of water flow through copper pipes when the sun heats the collector panels. In the adsorption chiller, the hot water is passed in one chamber of the adsorption and the other is passed with the cooling water. The advantages of SHC over conventional methods. SHC reduced the conventional heating and cooling cost up to 35 to 40%. This system helps by providing employment to establish SHC system. Direct reduction can be made by using SHC system. The combination of heating and cooling easily available for all types of backup heat source. Energy sourced easily available in maximum quantity. Collectors are used can be renewable. In India, innovative solar cooling systems at Solar Energy Center. The Solar Energy Center in Haryana state can now score with a new and innovative solar air conditioning demonstration system. Developed by Thermax, one of the India's leading waste heat recovery and cooling manufacturers. The system with a 100 kilowatt cooling capacity has an integrated triple effect vapor absorption chiller and the solar parabolic concentrators. Conclusion. Solar heating and cooling system reduce the operating cost as compared to conventional methods. Efficiency of conventional methods of heating and cooling can be increased 35 to 40% with the help of solar heating and cooling system. The main consideration will be to reduce the initial cost of the system in future. This system provide healthy environment to the employee in industries by heating and cooling mechanism. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.